Okay, next question, please, is online.
Two questions here related to one another from Miss Olivia Caulfield regarding generative AI. The first, I congratulate the board on ANZ's adoption of generative AI, particularly through the establishment of the AI Immersion Centre and the impressive milestone of having more than 7% of ANZ Banking Group's code written by artificial intelligence. Building on these achievements, how is ANZ addressing the competitive risks posed by neobanks that have leveraged AI more aggressively to offer superior services at lower costs? And what steps are being taken to ensure ANZ continues to lead in delivering exceptional values to customers through AI innovation? Relatedly, how is ANZ equipping employees with the skills needed to navigate periods of technological disruption? Generative AI is a notable example, but how is the bank preparing its workforce for the broader challenges and opportunities presented by ongoing digital innovation as part of its broader digital transformation strategy? I would be grateful if you could specify numbers. Thank you.
Thank you, Olivia, for your question. And I think it's a really good opportunity to give Shane a chance to comment on the work we're doing.
Great, thank you for the question. The answer to the first one is quite simply, that is what ANZ Plus and ANZ Transactive are all about. Those platforms, those technologies allow us, they build the foundations that we can adapt and adopt things like generative AI to enhance customers' experience. So we are absolutely all about competing with using the very, very, very best technology to improve outcomes for customers. And so, you know, big tech, that's part of the big strategy that we have. In terms of the second one, how are we equipping? Well, you know, we launched the Immersion Centre. What is it? It's a training centre. It's a room just across the river there, where we bring our staff in to teach them about generative AI. What is it? We give them some training, we give them some tools, and they leave after a few hours better equipped to use generative AI in their own day-to-day work. To date, we've only had it open for, don't quote me, but 8 to 10 weeks, something like that. We'll have had 1,000 of our staff go through that experience by the end of this week, and we'll continue to put more and more people through there. And so far, the feedback from staff is really, really strong. They really feel not just that they've learned something, they go out better equipped to do their jobs better with new tools. And then in addition to that, we actually provide there's a technology company called GitHub, it's part of the Microsoft group, which gives you the tools that allows the software engineers, the people who write all the code, to use AI to help them write the code faster and better. And so we've already got something like 3,000 of our software engineers, which is a lot, who are actively utilizing those tools. So it's an ongoing area of investment, and I'm really confident it's going to be part of how ANZ differentiates itself and continues to win market share, both in our retail businesses, but also in our institutional bank.
Thanks, Shane.